How to turn off login alert notifications on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Then tap on three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now tap on account center. Now under account setting, simply tap on password and security. Then tap on login alerts. Now select Facebook. Then tap on in-app notifications. Now when you tap on in-app notifications, as you can see it's not possible to change the option. So unfortunately for Facebook, you cannot turn off login alerts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.